All right. My last micro review is coming up. Again, this is a picture book, something I read months ago. I'm just getting caught up. And yes, the dragon horns are there. Let's get into my final review. This one is for Fish Don't Sneeze. This is a great read aloud book. Works well for readers, young or older, who like to read books about animals, especially water animals. I read this to a young man I was working with, and we both had a good laugh over the scenario in the book. It's a nice way to explain how friendship isn't always about things going perfectly. There you have it, guys. Stay safe and keep reading.